Ajewi Kamadaya Bauping. Ukhrul District Li COVID mass testing third phase Aya Kambasom Tangli Sahaira. Mi Shagutum Hangchugo de Jisha test Kasali Tumrada Mati positive Sampangaira. Ajirashung the way alumni Pungerli COVID test Mi Shakani Hangchugo da Aka Kasali positive Mati Sampangaira. The Voice of Tahilawi Zagrin Hapta Champawi Career Online Ranye Hili Huire Homsing Shimran Sharukui Mida Mirin we take a quick page Haira. Lake Hayangator Ajewi Pao Chungsangla Jajo ina Pamidele Ajewi Pao Maisai na Ganangramsa. Ayawi mass screening test report atisur the Ukhrul Town Hall Screening Center li mi hang tharuk da khani test kasali mi khani positive samphanga Khambasom VPS li mishing shaka hang phanga da jishat test kasali mati positive samphanga kala Khambasom Community Hall li shaka hang shini da jishat test kasali mi mukada tharuk positive samphang haira positive samphanga hai pingji aya ngazin Ukhrul COVID Care Center li phungzang haira COVID Mimauhi Mathamida Ngarushap Kawai Health Department na Ukhrul mass COVID screening achontang aina hapok kahaina. Kala Ukhrul Magistrate SDO HL Christian Home na kahang atishuda ajir COVID mass screening hi Wino Bazar li sagidalay. The Tangkhul Express na aya Pungyer Block li Crown Reporting Vakayang li Pungyer PHC COVID second wave li ngarur kawai ot mga mathada kui kahai thay kuya. Ajirashung the way alungli Pungerli COVID test mi shakani hang chikoda akana kuiga highly mi mati positive sampanga haina. Bet hangshini the mati kada khalay Punger COVID Care Center li patients admit salaga discharge saga hi mi tharada khani ka haira. Punger COVID Care Center li oxygen concentrator machine shini kala D to G type cylinders khani leya. Punger block area li ajirashung the vaccine kap kahai mi jingum tharada chishat ka kahai mi shing shaka apa tharana COVID vaccine kap haira kala jingum hang mati da phanga ka kahai mi shaka hang tharuk na COVID vaccine hi ka kap sampang haira kala gagza phungung phungwa sa khawai wiwang Punger le ambulance akhamang leya
Koji COVID Care Pungergi block makada aikoina hojik koi Punger da number of case tawasi koi 291 tawre masi phawada aduga sigi manungda number of positive na koi 4 mani ka koi 4 positive oi kai ado akoigi Pungerda leiba COVID Care Center sida total number of koi bed available si 74 ni ado masigi hojik hana leramba COVID da koi Care Center si admit tor patient na 12 patient ni adugo 12 patient si lemak koi discharge tawkre amata koi critical condition da yawgidi aduga hojik jisu koi home isolation da leramba patient sing lemak discharge tawga hojik home isolation su koi zero oina lai hojik COVID aduga koi COVID Care Center sida koi government side pirakpa number of koi oxygen concentration si 7 hojik koi available oi aduga number of koi B and D type cylinder na ani koi da koi COVID Care Center da lai aduga hojik makata kwada koi Punger block ki sigi PSC ki makada koi the capsule number of vaccination si 18 plus da more than 110 countre aduga 45 plus ki kanotana more than 150 ka 6 ki kanota vaccine kathok kre hoji phobugida
Thui Gahai Gachang April Tarik Shini li Kamjong District wi Azingli Khalai Punger Block li Central Bank of India Chief Minister of Manipur na video conferencing aina Thargat Mihaira Thargat Ranya hili HAC Punger MLA kui relatio keshing la razang da bank chiwi kashok kazangla yangsang miya The Tangkhul Express the Central Bank of India Punger branch with manager Kuirending Reso Lui Thuili Kharjan Kasali Ari Mi Shakani Tumra account holders Leidalaya Dahanga.
Everyone knows after coming Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in power, the cashless transaction and the direct benefit transport is becoming a common and it giving benefit to the needy peoples directly. To succeed and to overcome the grievances of the needy peoples, mainly in the remote area, opening of bank branches is very much important. I am very fortunate and I am very thankful to the the central bank's official and you are taking keen interest to open the bank branches in the remotest part of the state. And as I have been informed that 9 branches is already working in the remote area, and our Chief Secretary told me also you are also taking keen interest to open more branches in the remote part of the state in future also. Deputy Commissioner and the others, Pungyargi Mayampunamak, Masi Pungyargi, the Kwigi Central Bank of India gi branch ma hangbagi kamjong gi si sida mayam daina yai phaba nungai ba greetings news nokoi mayam dai pijari maram di sugumba bank branches lak pasina akoi gi all age gi hairo adagi ka bank loan gi hairo adagi kano gi honorable prime minister gi central gi live scheme gi hairo narega gi hairo any schemes live mayam sigi direct benefit nakoi bank to gi khutang da khunja singna du da imphal da lak trasu Ukhrul da satrasu fungyar da phangba yarani madu gi namuktai mayam da nungai ba phongdok chabani.
Songwriter artist agasada Tangkhul Ramngachan li themlak kahaya Tamsing ronre shimrena awi ngnui lakha aina music ningasang kala vareshi shimkhorli ringkada awi mirin vareshi la aina rkaya gaji kala ari rashungda worship leader agasada oktuide leida ajontang haupok kahai the voice of tahilana khuigshok zagrin hapta chanpauli hanghaira mirin li gathem pandam ngarok laga yuigishi hi mikumo wili shok zarlaka khaji maphalak manada ana hanga them khamai sathai khamai hotna zatta khoka masala manga mawa kapaina Verena mi gahai ka them nga tay da ji khwishok ngarok da khokasa da oktirum sa da ana hanga kala ga ji cha khalata hotna zat da khalai bingli the voice of Germany 2016 li sharukhui gahaya Tamsing na you are not alone ila chi thada hotna saya da ka gotom tu phongshok mi haira kaji cha wi ot kasali kala hot khanali mi komona mathai mi salala kala kachot atam sampanglala uklung khamashung aina hotna walu musician akasada tishuli khamong sho khami ji tharan langgaso them correct malai lui mara kala kasa psychorally Tangkhul yur raisang khawai sasa da kuira Tamsing shimrena khare zagrin hapta chanpauli phongshok haira samadon marutina Ukhrul wiwang yukoven akhami haira District Administration na ngaching chamlak kahaya coronavirus mi mau panglak aina ngarda khalai hili khangajon sada samadon maruti Ukhrul outlet na 5-seater eco-van aga District Administration na shichin viranu da donate sami haira da hanga Samadon Maruti outlet head we manager Shangshim LS na eco-van we Japiji aya Ukhrul DC Joseph Paulin li ngaran mi haira BJP Northeast Zonal Organizing Secretary Guira Ajay Jamwal Party Kathana Pingli Sambangda BJP Manipur State President Wipam Masaida Khalaichi Chipui Sangkawai we Ngasan Ngayay Sakawai Aya Imphali Ungzang Haira 2020 we general election we BJP Manipur State Unit we President Pungashap candidate Kapang Sangkawai BJP Manipur State we Kathana Willi Kharjan Salaga report Khuilaga Chi Aina President Kapang Sangki Kachina Ajawi Kamataya Baubing Nganangrom Lushitsa. Ukhrul District Li COVID mass testing third phase Aya Kambasom Tangli Sahaira. Mi Shagutum Hangchuko de Tisha test Kasali Tumrada Mati positive Sampanghaira. Ajirashung the way alumni Pungyarli COVID test Mi Shakani Hangchuko da Aka Kasali positive Mati Sampanghaira. The voice of Tahila with Zagrin Hapta Champawi, career online Ranye Hili. Kuira Tamsing Shimran Sharukui Mida Mirin we take a quick page haira. Aji we bow here and a Chang Haira, another Lanitum Zai correlate Kamahaya Zimik shot Masasarano.